Hi, this is Dante. I'm doing an experiment for 7th period biology from Mr. Kincaid. My experiment is going to be whether or not there's a difference in how long it takes for somebody to solve a Rubik's Cube, in this case me, when your hands are cold versus normal room temperature. So this is going to be the first video. The first video is just going to be at normal room temperature. I have 3 solves, or scrambles, that I will be doing, which are listed on this piece of paper. And I will record the times for each of them, and then at the end calculate the average amount of time for each solve. So, I'll do the first scramble, which is D, R prime, B, L, F, B, U prime, L2, D prime, R2, L, F prime, D prime, D prime, R2, L2, D, U, B, D, F2, U, F2, B. And now it's scrambled. I'll solve it. That was a very good time. It was 30.659 seconds. Now this is going to be the second solve, which will be, the scramble is D, L2, F2, R, F prime, R, D2, U, F2, L, R prime, F, L prime, D prime, F2, R, U, R prime, D2, F2, L prime, R, D2, F prime, B. That's all again. Much better. 23.865 seconds. And for the last solve, the scramble will be B2, U, B prime, U, B2, D2, F2, D, F2, R2, D, F prime, R2, B2, R, B prime, R prime, D prime, R prime, E prime, B2, F, R prime, D, L2. And again, I will solve. Cool. That was a really good time. 20.047 seconds. Okay, I'm going to calculate the average now with TI-84 calculator, if that means anything. So the first solve was 30.659 seconds plus 23.865 seconds plus 20 5.047 seconds. 47. There you go. Okay, and then divided by 3 because there's 3 solves. So the answer for the average solve time is 24.857 seconds. And hi, this is Dante again, performing part 2 of the experiment with cold hands this time, doing the same 3 scrambles. I'm going to put my hands in this bowl of ice water for 2 minutes, and then I will solve the same 3 scrambles again with cold hands. So yeah, I'm gonna set the timer, and once it goes up to 2 minutes, I will take my hands out. So yeah, here we go. Just in case this data is relevant, this is extremely painful. I'm only at 20 seconds. 30 seconds. My original plan had been do this for 10 minutes, and then I changed it to 5, and I was like, no, even 5 is too much. So yeah, I'm doing it for only 2 minutes. Should have had some music on so I could distract myself.
You could sing.
I'm at a minute. I'm only halfway done. Ouch. Minute 10 seconds. Minute 20. One and a half, 30 seconds left. $20 seconds left. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright. It's now been 10 minutes. I will dry my hands off and I will solve these cubes.
2 minutes. You said 10 minutes.
Oh, I meant 2 minutes. If I said 10. Sorry. Alright. Now, before my hands warm up, I gotta scramble these cubes. Right, it's the first solve. Same scramble as the first solve last time. Here we go. That first time was 55.163 seconds, which is a very large increase to the last ones. second solve. I can feel my hands starting to warm up again, but that's okay because during the last time I had a similar increase from where they were at the beginning because I started without even being warmed up. I was kind of just normal, and then as I moved, my fingers warmed up a bit, so it's okay. Second time was 36.69 seconds, which is a lot closer to normal. And I'll now do the last solve. Alright, last solve. And the last one was pretty much back to normal with a 28.660. Alright, now I'll calculate the average again for these solves, which the first solve was 55.163 plus 36.69 plus 23.66 and divided by 3. The average solve time was 38.504 seconds. Now that we look at the data compiled from both experiments, or both halves of the experiment, the original average time was at 24.85 seconds, or 0.857 seconds, and the average solve time with cold hands was 38.504, which is an increase of 13.647 seconds. So, in the average times. So, on average, I'm 13 seconds slower, which is a 54.9% increase. So, yeah, it's definitely considerably slower with cold hands.